just when I thought Shein couldn't get any greater, they goddamn start selling wigs. The audacity. Hey boo, welcome back to my channel. Hey boo, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome, girl. Got some tea for that ass, girl. So, not long ago, your girl, maybe a few others as well, said that they would like to see a Shein wig haul. And that blew me by surprise, sis, because I didn't even realize that they, was around here selling wigs too. Oh my God. Whoa. Shein is literally the epitome of a one-stop shop, boo. I'm calling this motherfucker the corner store, okay? You can go up in there and get some of everything. They got the lashes, the makeup, the press-on nails, okay? They got the cute-ass clothes for the low. Then they got the wigs to go with the cute-ass clothes. Like, girl, I'm done. Today's video, we're gonna talk about this beauty that I'm currently rocking. I heard a lot of y'all done booked some trips, and I'm coming through with the wig, okay, that y'all should take on that damn trip. This unit here is a 4x4 lace front, short curly human hair wig. This unit was about $91. I don't think it was over. I know for a fact it was not over $120, sis. So you cannot beat a human hair Brazilian wig now with highlights, boo, okay, for that price. And if you use my discount code, because you know I got you, it's gonna be here. You will be able to save an additional when you check out, boo. You're welcome. The density is 150, which is normally pretty good and thick. And I can say that for the most part, it really is. This is one of them type of wigs that you could brush out and make it bigger if you like. To be honest with you, when I initially took it out the pack, it really did have all them curls popping already. I just added a little bit of product to it just to give it a little bit more oomph. This is definitely going to be like a first impression type of thing because I have not worn the unit a while in order to be able to give you a real thorough review. What I can say though, sis, is I have not gotten any tangling. I haven't gotten any shedding. The smell, I mean, it's normal. It's that corn chips. You know how that be when you get your damn wigs from over there from AliExpress and China and all them places. But it was not unbearable, and it was not to the point where, you know how sometimes you have to soak that shit in fabric softener to get that smell off? It wasn't the case with this one. It's the highlights for me though, sis, okay? I don't normally do this color on me, but honey, I'm giving, am I not? It's really giving natural hair to me. Like, I don't know, y'all natural hair girls, y'all know when y'all be talking about 4 A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and all these letters and the alphabets and all that. You probably can tell me what is this resembling to you. In my opinion, it doesn't mention that this is a bob wig, but it's definitely giving bob tease. I say that because I have this here, and I did not cut the unit. It goes just like this, and in the back, it's a little shorter. You see, you get what I'm saying, sis? And I'm fine by that. I'm fine by that because I don't want that shit all up under my neck. That when that shit back there start caping up, dreading up, locking up, start looking like a little hive back there. This is the perfect summer hair. Here in I've showed the cap construction. You can see that it did have like the little 4x4 area of the lace, which is really good because it allows it to look more natural. All the rest of it is looking like how it's looking. Love the fact that it has 2 combs that's included, or was it 3? I don't know, sis, you count. If you like combs, I prefer not. They do have them. I pretty much got this unit to serve as a glueless unit. Even though you may see in the clip while I'm installing this unit, I'm actually using some Got2b to kind of hold it down. I mean, because it has the elastic band in the back, then it also has the combs, this wig ain't going nowhere. My wig, it don't move.
My hair, it don't move. It don't move.
My wig, it don't move. My wig, it don't move. I'm more so the one prefer to not glue shit down because I just want to be able to toss this in the corner somewhere by the end of the night. To show you like how I install a unit, because I know a lot of y'all do ask me how do I install my units. So the lace, as you can see, it was pretty good. I would say that it actually looks like it's melted into the scalp. I probably could have allowed it to sit a little bit longer, but I'm trying to get through a lot of these videos today. I did notice that the lace was not tinted. I don't know about you, sis, but I'm over that whole tinting where you use bleach and the whole processes. I started using like lace tint spray. It actually is for your legs, child. Service purpose as a lace tint. That's what I used on the lace to be able to allow it to look like it's my scalp, which it's definitely giving. I did pluck just a little bit to open up the part, but they pretty much had it down pat, sis. I didn't pluck it all around here. I didn't pluck that much out of here. Like, it pretty much came where you could just plop that on. I mean, say if you don't have that spray and you real new to the wig game, I would say take a concealer. I know you wear makeup or you got a little powder or cream or something that matches your skin tone. Go up in there, add it to the lace so that it can look, you know, like it's your own. And sis, you in there. I forgot to mention in the review that this wig fits perfectly. It wasn't too big. It wasn't too small. I like to believe that my head ain't too gigantic. I ain't part of the limit head gang. I feel like I got an average size head. What you think, sis? But regardless of that fact, the wig fit very comfortable. So no worries as far as being too small. I also wanted to show you the cap construction. As you know, this is not a full lace wig. It's not a full lace frontal at all. As you can see, there's tracks on the side. Yep, boom, bam, there they go. And then there's tracks all throughout in the back spaced out. These are closer together. Yep, there it go right there. So I just wanted you to see how the cap is constructed. It definitely did not take a whole lot for you to be able to put this unit down. And that's what I appreciate when it be like the 4x4 like closures. I call it closures. They say a lace front, but I call them closures because it's not that much lace to adhere. You don't have to do all that extraness to install your units. With this one, it is so simple. This is a very quick and easy unit. I will include all the products used to install this unit in the description box down below. I have the link to this unit down in the description box below. Girl, I'm gonna need you to stay tuned to the end of this video so that you can be able to watch me install this thing. Now, I will do an update. Just so you know, I got a few other Shein wigs as well. I got a few synthetics. I think I got another human. I can't really remember, but it's on its way, sis. So you gonna want to subscribe to your girl channel. Put that notification bell on so that way you can be able to be notified when your girl drop that video. If you made it to the end of this video, be sure to drop this emoji in the comments down below. That's how I'm gonna know it's real. If you happen to have any additional questions and your girl did not answer it in this video, I'll be more than happy to go ahead and answer. Just drop it down in the comment section, boo. Make sure you go ahead and like this video. Get your girl on the YouTube algorithm. I know you felt them good vibes. Be sure to subscribe if you're new here, boo. Join the people there. I want to thank you so very much for taking the time out to watch my video. Until next time, later.